Well, it's interesting because I think there's been an evolution in the concept of coaching. As I stated, I think it's changed a little bit. We've seen a lot of people come in and out of the coaching arena. Unfortunately, not all of those have been positive experiences for business owners because, as I stated, you've got a lot of people who are very good at marketing but don't have a lot of substance, and so they came in quickly. And what you're seeing today is the top executive and business coaches in the country are the ones that are actually involved and engaged with the clients, and they deliver substance and value. And so what we're seeing today is we're seeing a trend away from the gurus, if you will, who came in and they really kind of raped and pillaged the market to sell products. And today, what people are yearning for is people like me who own businesses that are like them and can lean on people that have vast amount of resources, good and bad. You know, we all make good decisions in businesses and we make some bad decisions in businesses, but at the end of the day, people want to be able to connect with somebody like them. And I think that's the difference. I think today we're seeing, a gestation, and we're seeing the top coaches in the country starting to rise, and we're getting through the dust of the pretenders,